How to add story on TikTok. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll simply guide you on how you can add a story on TikTok, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now over the time the interface of TikTok application has changed and maybe you're finding a little bit confusing to upload a story, because when you come to the home tab you can see that there is no option to add a story. Well, to add a story, if you look at the profile icon from the very top, you have the little plus icon right next to your profile name. Just tap on it. Now by default you might be under any of these other options here which will ask you to upload a post, but since we want to upload a story, we're just going to select this option called story. So you have to look for it in this case while you're posting something. Make sure to select it and then make sure to just choose a specific photo like this. Once you've taken a photo such as this and then you want to upload it to your story, just hit the arrow icon here, tap the arrow option in this case, and then the story will be successfully added, as you can see over here at the very top of the screen. So let me wait until the story has been added, and now you can see my story was successfully added in this case because you can see the option here. So this way you can add a story to TikTok. Hope this video was very helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.